Hey Facebook, hey YouTube, this is Alan, and this video is the first installment of a series that I'm going to make chronicling my 90-day challenge. So this video log is going to be about a 90-day challenge. Now for those of you who don't know what a 90-day challenge is, because I know many of you already do, but for those of you who don't, a 90-day challenge is a personal challenge I'm putting on myself to shed some weight. Now, a little bio about myself is I'm 6 foot, we'll call it 5, close to 6'6", and I weigh 230 pounds. I just got off the scale, and yeah, 230. That's about 30 pounds more than I'd like to be. When I was younger, in my early 30s, I was around 200, and now that I'm 41, I am a little overweight. Even though I can carry it well with my frame being so tall, there is definitely an inner tube around this midsection here. So this video log is going to chronicle my 90-day challenge, and there's a couple reasons why I'm making a video log. First reason is I want to make myself accountable to all my family and all my friends out there on Facebook. And I'm even making myself accountable to those of you who've happened chance across this video on YouTube. So, I've never really had to do this, so I have to be very disciplined. So I'm going to need lots of encouragement, and I'm going to make myself accountable to you. So this video log is going to chronicle my weight loss. I'm not going to bug you all too much with them. I'm just going to post them every couple days or once a week, and telling you how much I've weighed, how much I've lost, and how the program's going for me just in general, psychologically, physically, and whatnot. And the second reason is so that later I can come back and look and see what I've done and watch the videos and have proof of what I've done in this 90-day challenge. So the 90-day challenge is going to be me not only working out on my treadmill and doing a little cardio, but also I'm going to be taking some what's called ViSalus shakes, and I'm going to take 2 shakes a day and supplement my meals. I will be eating dinner and snacks in between, and I'm just going to see how it goes. I'm going to play it pretty loose at first to see what my body can handle, and I'll go from there. And I'll let you all know. So if you would please rate, subscribe, like, please post comments below. I will answer them, and I appreciate your encouragement, and have a great day. Thank you.